Now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you.
Julie Mango, me see it, man. Julie Mango is a national treasure. Hi, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another video from the Morgan's Legacy. If you're new to our channel, my name is Vanessa and this is my husband, Ralston. And today we want to talk to you a little bit about something that I think that has been affecting all of us. Some, maybe some more than some, but everyone to some extent. And honestly, I want to hear your feedback in the comment section, and also what are some of the measures that you have been taking to, combat this effect of what is happening. I think it might be worldwide, but even more so for us in Jamaica with the dollar. The dollar was gone. Yo, right now the dollar faster than alien. It talk it you. The dollar faster than alien. My God. So we want to talk a little bit about cost of living in Jamaica, and we're gonna share with you. Come Aces, come baby. We want to share with you our expense for this is just a one fortnight, right? One fortnight, right? All right. So I'm a bit frugal. I'm a little bit frugal. My son, I kick away the thing. Don't watch out the camera and shake. Stay tuned. All right. So I'm a little bit frugal. So I don't really like waste money. If I spend money do something, and like me just feel like I waste pressure me, me stay up. Eh? Me like to get my food value, and not that's that. Like we stay up in the middle of the night. I think about it. You know, say I not lie. Me stay up in the middle of the night. If me buy something, and like me never did to buy that something there, it haunt me in the night time. Like me go to my bed and it wake me up, hot flashes. I mean I say, we should have buy that and whatever. So guys, today we're going to talk about cost of living in Jamaica, and this is our purchase for one fortnight, 2 weeks purchase, the bill here, and we're going to also include what is not on, this is like the cheapest supermarket in Old Harbour. You don't think I cheapest supermarket in Old Harbour? Which one do you think I cheapest? You know your supermarket where you normally go? Yes. Alright, you have a supermarket where things kind of cheap around there, right? But the line long and I don't know like enough cheaper, like $3, $5, right? But it add up. The line is extremely long around the hot. I don't know me as a sweat. So it's when we just can't manage around it. We just work it out and say the $3 and the $5 me that go save. Me work it out for the fact that me end up that me cooler and me not upset when me done buy when me I buy. $3 and $5 for every item. And upon every item. It's not on every item. It's a lot of items, but not on every item. Because I go around there within one item. Because as I say, we try a lot of things to cut down from the bill. I even went to, if you don't know, we're from Old Harbour. I even went to Mapping one time. You remember when we go national? Because if I could buy something for see if I could get it cheaper. And the line there, no, and it never work out, because when we check the price at national, I think we only save $2,500, and if we save $2,500, and then we have to go burn gas, go Maple and come back, and then some of the for yes, sorry, and then we have to stand up in the forever line. It never work out for we just look at it and say no, that's a loss for us, right? So we skip national and we just decide so we're going to continue shopping in Old Harbour. We should also include that because we're not eating a lot of meat, if you eat junk, it end up, no, so this serious. It's not stop kick away something. The truth of the matter is, guys, if you eat a certain type of way, it end up cheaper for you. But it will go more expensive in the long run, right? Because to eat healthier is more expensive.
But why?
And it should not be that way. This boy not stop kick the thing, you know.
Why?
It should not be that way. It is. Me give up. Me give up. Ace. Look at the boy kick the thing and make the thing continue to lean. It just a lean nature. Alright. Yes, as I was saying, eating healthier is a lot more expensive than eating junk. Right? So, anyways, we could jump into the list and the first item for the thing kind of make me feel a little weird. The first item for the receipt make me feel a little weird. But don't judge me, right? Because this is like a little, it's not a need, but it is something that is necessary.
Necessary?
Yes, it is necessary. I mean, come on, as parents,
Yes,
you need to unwind.
necessary.
All right. What would you call it then?
Indulgence.
Oh, so we just indulge then. But isn't it necessary for self-care?
You call that self-care?
Relaxation. All right, the first item on the bill is
Sorrel
6-pack sorrel beer.
Call
Big
that.
up Red Stripe. All right, $1,080. Right. Second item,
Cheaper to buy it.
if you buy it a bar, $180 one pan in a store, in a supermarket. You know, if you buy it a bar at $250. Yeah. Second item is Lasco food drink. No, we buy the big Lasco because we stop the Ace, Alacta 1 Plus and them thing there. Yeah, them something expensive, right? So we buy the Lasco and we mix it with cereal. Mix it with cereal and drink it because he don't eat food. He's a picky eater and he refuses to eat anything at all. He not eat nothing, right? So we just have to give him the cereal and we cannot afford the Alacta, so we just mix it. You see? You have to watch energy and kick away the thing, the camera. Turn on your foot. No, let me reposition the camera again. Alright. Turn on your foot, sir. Alright, so the price for the big Lasco. Now, Mama tell you, when I see that Lasco price here, I nearly jump. $490 for one Lasco. $490 for one Lasco, $500, you know?
And it's $510.
Yeah, because you know,
I mean,
price listing in a supermarket.
It's a $510.
But actually, we buy 6, we get it
$490. So
$490.
3 to almost half a bill at just Lasco.
See?
$3,000.
$3,000 for 6 Lasco.
6 Lasco.
Alright. Brown rice, $65 a pound. Right? We don't buy all that of flour because as I say, we eat a little bit better now, so we cut out gluten. So a little bit of flour and $57 a pound for flour. Jaja.
Remember when I had $10 a pound and people barely could have found a $10 there now.
You remember when I $10 a pound for flour?
You remember when I $10 a pound for flour?
I remember when I $10 a pound.
You remember?
But $57 a pound, that's a $60 a pound for flour, you know. And I see a 65 for brown rice. I don't know much for white rice. But come on, man. Alright. Kendall ginger tea, $495. $500, that's enough for a pack of tea. As I say, is drink cereal, so the next item is Cerelac. This lasts for the 2 weeks, by the way, and it can last over the 2 weeks. It depends on how often you drink, because as I say, it's a picky eater. $1,200.
From $1,010.
Well, yeah, $1,010. That's the cost before.
But the problem we have with
it's
all
like
of
a 40% increase on a lot of the item.
That never say no. The percentage in which people might raise the item, not how much percentage in which you get raised
at
in
work.
Which for your,
Yeah.
most of company have 5%.
5%. Yeah. Some places might go to a limit and give you a 10%, but that is the maximum. But when you compare that to your bills, how can you survive? Everything are raising now. Light bill, sky high. Water, same. Food, same. How we are gonna manage in this place here? I don't know how we manage. Anyways, we continue down the list. We have hardware bread, regular sliced brown bread.
$410.
$410 for one bread.
Remember you got a shop
400.
there where ladies. So she stopped by
Me
bread.
say me go down a shop because you know me run out of bread. I'm go check the neighborhood shop and the lady said she stopped buy bread. She said nobody now come there come buy the bread because the bread is so expensive. People rather make fritters a man in time give them pitney.
That's not a lie.
As you should. People rather make fritters a man in time and give your child than to make bread or cook.
Go buy bread.
Than to buy bread, I must say. And then you know, look up pitney snacks.
But the problem where that call you know, corner shop or them people have national, them a cut every bread now, meaning say them a slice the bread. You can't go shop now go buy quarter of
Tar
bread.
bread.
And then like one time in a month could I go buy quarter of bread. A long time I see one bread with no slice. Long time. So then like so when the money have say a boy me have one right now $100 for quarter of bread. So that not even make no sense either.
Yeah.
But I know.
I know it
It's
is
rough
it's
though.
difficult, man. Difficult. Look at Antowil, look at sugar, little sunshine snacks for Ace. Look at chiffon butter. Yeah, as I say, Ace don't eat, so we buy supplement and what you call that thing there? Ensure. Supplement, 6 supplement, $201 one. It's $1,210 for the 6. You know, regular on this list, there's no tissue, no soap on them something, right? Look, Nescafe,
No oil.
no oil and them something. Just regular little things on this list. See, Ensure here, $253 for one Ensure, $1,520 for the 6 Ensure. Dishwashing liquid, $165. We'll buy the PAL one, $165 for one, right? As I say, these are just little items. What is a tuna, sweet corn, little crackers, feet at the morning. You know, it's just regular things on this list, guys. And I'm gonna show you the big reveal. It's, as I say, the list and nothing expense, nothing great on the pan the list. Nothing great on the pan the list. And I'm gonna show you the total.
As I said before, we stop eating certain things. And I like say when one time we used to go to the supermarket, we used to take up 15 pound of rice.
Right.
15 pound of flour.
Right.
10 pound of
Right.
15 pound of sugar.
We cut out a lot of things. We cut out a lot of things, and we are eat more natural things that way.
That van, we cut out a lot of things, and the bill gone up.
Yeah, but no, really, honestly, when what we're paying for every 2 weeks now, and we used to pay for a month, and that may look pan. We monthly expense is now our fortnightly expense, and it. Wait, me I show them now, me I show no come no want to feel like I lie, me I tell cost of living in Jamaica is at a this when I come out the other day, I will go to a gas station. Because I tell you on the street, he did there a whole them things and I tell me person, I say, he nah manage the money good enough. He nah manage the money good. Because I know saying probably now go walk and get a little bag and a little, you know the shreps. So me I say he nah manage the money good, but me I tell you say, so when I come, I'ma see the cost.
Me tell you, Evan, something wrong.
Yeah, because we have a budget.
When you did over Cuba, I go supermarket. I'm going to take up a couple of items. I tell you, I have to make the girl run them 2 times. Believe you me.
You make your girl run it 2 times?
I never tell you.
No.
I say, no man, run over back them for me, please. So when I say, no sir, who me take up because this amount of money?
Oh my God.
And I said, no man, run over back them for me, please.
Yeah.
That's like, I tell you, so you come and say, make sure I need over to you, say, I can't manage this. This too is it's rough, man.
It's really difficult. And remember, this is just supermarket bill. Remember, we still have to go market. Regular market, vendors market for go buy items. Because as we say, we are eat natural stuff. So we have to go buy banana, yam, sweet potato, Irish, carrot. We have to go check the man, the greens man, and get the greens them. Lettuce, callaloo,
cabbage.
we still have to go get all of them items there. Fruits separately. So when you work it out for the fortnight at $30,000, $30,000 it a cost just for food alone. Listen me, $30,000 for food alone, that no normal. See it here, total on the bill is Let me make sure so it a focus on the can see $19,946.67.
$50 less $20,000.
$50 less $20,000.
I'm telling you, when you go to the supermarket, the first thing them ask you for one bag. Me no want a bag.
Me
Me
no want a
pack in a
bag.
box.
Pack in a box, give me.
Me no want a bag.
Because number one, we have to go pay for the bag. And paying for the bag mean additional costs, right? And if you have 2 or 3 bag, you pay for 2 and 3 bag and $150 one for bag or $200 some places. So pack it in a little box and tape up it good there for me.
That's simple.
Everything.
They never say, alright, to spend over 10 or 15,000. So
Yeah.
bag here.
No,
Me no
no.
want to do it.
No, you have to buy the bag. Again, the other thing, as I say, light bill completely gone. We have a dehumidifier because our son require clean hair. No, when my light bill come, just want run go. Just want run. Just want pack up bag and just cut. Look here, man. Me don't know how we're gonna survive. I honestly don't know how we're gonna survive. So
I'm telling you, I got himself alone and like
God Himself alone. So I want to ask you guys, how are you surviving? And what are some of the tactics that you are using? Because maybe you can share a little insight like things we want to do and we cut down the bills them and what. Because the time is very hot, so fan after run. That fan after run. Clothes after wash in a machine can we work. What else? What else do we cause electricity? Well, the only thing that I can improve on is try and press once a week. I'm here, so when I press once a week, yeah. So try and press once a week to minimize the light bill. Nothing we can do about flow because we need them Wi-Fi. If when them decide to give way. Yeah. So as we say guys, water is a must. Whatever JP water commission cost me, just have to just see me here. Take it. Because we can't do without it. So
but to
survive in Jamaica, cost of living is completely through the roof. And it'll get worse. It's like it's really getting worse. So I don't know all persons, because we have fairly good jobs, right? We want to know all persons who have less than what we have, how they must survive. Persons who are working minimum wage or less, how they must survive, because if it is so difficult, really, me rate them.
Of course, man. Hats off to them.
Me rate people who
set up people in our league to themselves.
Me rate people who are them have earn minimum wage and I survive. I mean them a survive good. I me no know. You see I do though? Come here. Oh. Oh, come here. Yeah, so as I said, maybe you guys have some tactics you want to use and you can share that tactics with us. Share those tactics with us, and maybe that can help us.
We need to share. You know why? Because all are we nice.
All are we
the
same
somebody
canoe.
have an idea or something what they want to do,
yeah,
you can say, we could try it this way and see if it works.
Yeah.
Because anything we can do to cut down this, it'll help.
Anything at all, because God knows it is really stressing. I may wrap my brain to see what else we can do for cut down costs for certain things, and there's nothing else we can do. Nothing else. Me not see what else we can do.
We are eat less.
We are eat less.
When we see you do idea, we definitely realize we are eat less.
Yeah.
Less.
I have 500 turkey neck and I tell the man so we are cook it as maximum amount of time as possible. And he might look at me like me crazy, He might look at me like me crazy like
you buy 2 something cabbage and you cook 1 cabbage or something.
2 little cabbage and a 1 me cook. Yeah. And put carrot in it. Yeah. And nice it up and spice it up and say, look a bit, look a bread. Yeah, you that. Put a plantain pan it too. You know what? Yeah, you that. So, food now, yes. So, I want to know what else that you guys are doing that maybe you guys can share with us. Maybe we can help out each other. and also how are you coping, because I know say I know we alone a feel a pinch. I know all the way in the same canoe, just a row. Why right now I don't feel like me a row? Me feel very steady, me feel very stay stud tanto this so.
Stagnant.
Yeah, very much so. So I know so today is not a video like typical video I wanna used to. And yeah, you might wonder, say, why really are going to fire? So, but it's a conversation that we need to have. We need to have this conversation. We need to talk about it because it's affecting everyone. Cost of living in Jamaica is complete. And if you're not in Jamaica but you're overseas and you're living in US or Canada, whatever, and you have your family members in Jamaica, I mean, no one hear them a ball about it, and they might call on and beg on 50. Car brother, it's sticky. And if you work, it's sticky. So I understand say, yeah, they might call on and beg on a little 50 because things are really difficult here at this very moment. So this is the Morgan's legacy, and as we strive to improve ourselves and improve our community and country at large, we want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and have a blessed, safe, and productive week.
Click the like and share button.
Right there, so Sim said, right there, so make sure you like, make sure you share, and you comment down below how you have been coping. What are some of the things that you have employed in your family structure for to make sure that things run smooth, same way. And yeah, let's have the conversation down below until Friday when we meet again.
Peace.
Bye.